Meaning of insect.
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 Insect. The term insect refers to a group of arthropods characterized by having a three-part body, 6 legs, and often, wings. Insects are incredibly diverse and can be found in nearly every habitat on Earth. They play an important role in ecosystems as pollinators, decomposers, and prey for other organisms. Despite their ecological significance, some insects are considered pests and cause damage to crops and human structures. There are an estimated 1 million known species of insects, making them the most numerous group of animals on the planet.